Here I am at Donvale, and we've just completed our flow hive. So yeah, here's a quick look at it. So we've got the roof here. It's a pine flow hive that I got from Flow Hive's website. You can get them for $850. Here's the roof. No. Here's one of the flow supers. You can see there. Here's where the honey comes out. That's where you put the tool in. Through here again, you can see all the honey, where the honey would go. Down there's the queen excluder, and then you've got the brood box and the core flute slider. Awesome. Thanks for watching.